In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to Wix with ChatGPT. Start by logging into both Wix and ChatGPT. In Wix, open your dashboard and choose the website you want to edit. Then click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. Once the editor opens, go to the page where you want your custom code to appear. Now switch over to ChatGPT. Paste in a prompt asking for a self-contained HTML, CSS, and JavaScript snippet for a simple click counter. Make sure the prompt says to include all three parts in one code block. Add comments explaining each section, and make it ready to paste into a Wix HTML embed element. After ChatGPT generates the result, copy the full code, go back to Wix, and click Add Elements on the left side of the editor. Open the Embed Code section, then choose Embed HTML. Drag the HTML embed element onto your page. Click Enter Code on the element. Select Code as the embed option, and paste in the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript from ChatGPT. Then click Update to save it. Once the code is added, resize the embed element so the widget displays properly. Move it into position wherever you want it on the page. After that, click Preview to load the embedded code and test the click counter by interacting with it. Make sure it works the way you expect. Next, return to the editor. If you want to add JavaScript across the entire site instead of only on one page, go back to the Wix dashboard and click Settings. From there, open Custom Code. This area lets you review the available placement options for site-wide code. Save any changes you make there. Then return to the editor and confirm that your embedded widget is still functioning correctly. When everything looks good, click Publish in the top right corner. Open the live version of the page and test the widget again to make sure it works outside of preview mode as well. Using ChatGPT in this way can help you quickly create simple interactive elements for your Wix site without building everything manually from scratch. Just make sure to test the final result carefully after pasting in any generated code. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.